A very warm good morning to one and all present here. You cannot go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. With this note, I, Pavitra B, take this opportunity to welcome all of you to this fantabulous event, World Creativity and Innovation Day, conducted by Department of CSE AIML in association with Institutions Innovation Council IIC SVIT at our esteemed institution Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. Without much ado, I would like to request Dr. Vikramatithan Sir, Professor, Department of CSE AIML, to welcome the dignitaries to the event.
Thank you, Professor Kavita. So it's a happy day for me to give this particular welcome address, because today we are celebrating World Creativity and Innovation Day. This is a brainchild of United Nations. Okay. Since India is a part of UN, and officially it was on 21st April, and since it was a Sunday, we are doing today. That's what you should know. With a small note, I would like to say what is this particular creativity. As long as you are studying one law, one theory, one algorithm, and you say that, sir, I understood this particular theory, I understood this particular algorithm, you are just a science student. Sorry dear, you are not an engineer. A BSc Computer Science, MSc Computer Science, MCA students will also do the same work. The moment you convert a particular algorithm with your innovation thought, and if you create a product, a model, then that day you become an engineer. I feel you are an engineer. Yes, sir? So we are the opt person to celebrate this particular creativity and innovation day. With this, the senior most person and vast experience in our campus, Dr. M.S. Ganesh Prasad sir came here. I wholeheartedly welcome sir for this particular. He is our principal of the institute, as well as he is president of IIC, that is Institute Innovation Council. I welcome you, sir. And I also welcome the convener of IIC, Dr. Pavitra GS from ECE department. I welcome you, sir. So it is just a small spark we would like to put in front of you. It is not a great function or something. It's just a small spark that you should know. Yes, there is a day called Innovation and Creativity Day, and we are the only people who is part of this particular day that you should know. Please remember, sorry to degrade other departments, not in our campus, a commerce background or any other science background. They can also celebrate, but we are the opt person. If we are not doing, no others can. Are you getting this point? Yes. So you would like to change your science background to engineering background, please do remember. As a token of that particular changeover, we are here to celebrate. Okay. Thank you with this particular note. I welcome you all for this particular. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. Now I would like to request our student Sujesh to present his opinion towards the event.
As you all know about today's day, about World Creativity and Innovation Day, innovation plays an important role in medical fields, and even innovation plays an important in ideas. Our ideas plays an important role for the industry, the IT fields. She's speaking about it.
So we know we've seen a lot of 9-to-5 jobs, right? And holding a 9-to-5 job is quite boring. So being creative and innovative can actually bring interest into your job, and you'll be happy with what you're doing. So some innovations that you might know is Tesla and SpaceX. These are some examples.
And as you all know,
Thank you, Sujesh and Sarika, for sharing your opinions. Now, I would like to request the IAC. Sir.
Good morning, everyone. My academic colleague, Professor Vidya, Professor of AIML, Professor Pavitra, all the faculty members of AIML staff, and my dear students. The purpose of this program is to make it clear. The preamble was very much laid out by Professor Vidya. Creativity or innovation, how it will come from an individual is a question to be looked at. Okay, how a creative idea you can get, how an innovative idea you want to get. For all this, I think all of you know, necessity is the mother of invention. So necessity is the mother of invention. When you talk about this, how much experience you are having that actually counts, and how many electronic gadgets or the computer supportive gadgets which you are actually holding it with you, and what additional features which you wanted to bring into that is a kind of the simplest innovation which you can look at. So, for example, you may be having an iPhone or an Android phone. The features of one may not be reflected in other. That is a kind of an experience innovation which you can look at. That means your experience to work in one device and which you wanted to bring it to the other device. But there are a lot of patent related activities which actually take place. So you should, being an engineer, you know that. Okay. So observing, experiencing in one gadget, how much we can try to bring in the same features in the other is not innovation. Okay, that too, as students of AIML, you are supposed to come out with innovation of your own. Okay, so if at all you want to come out with the innovation of your own, that means to say you should have a wonderful friendship in the network, because you cannot experience everything. Okay, in the 4 years of professional education, right? So if you know the students who are really working hard in their gadgets, maybe be it a laptop, be it a smartphone, be it an kind of watches, electronic watches. Okay, so wherever they find something is missing, you need to be the first person to understand their problems. Okay, if you can able to feel their problems, then you can bring in such innovations in those products. Okay. So most of the features which are there in the laptop, they try to simulate in the smartphone, right? So that's what they're actually looking at. But some, because of the memory issues or because of other technical issues, they are not able to do it. So there are a lot of opportunities for you, being an AI and ML engineers, which you can able to bring in those activities. Okay. So India, as a part of innovation ranking, we are not in 180 as of now. Okay, we are in the double digit as far as innovation ranking is concerned. Better the innovation ranking is good, better is going to be the identity of your country. Okay, better the identity, the ranking, more is going to be the fund flow to the nation. And more the fund flow to the nation through the government organization, it is going to come to the institutions like this. Okay. And people like you may not be immediately, you want to be benefited, but your juniors are going to be benefited. Okay. So that's why you should look at every innovation which you come across needs to be documented. Okay, documented through the patents. Okay. So we have an case IPR set, which actually working with documentation and publishing of these patents. Okay. So, with the support of your HODs, your professors, bring you to the KCST IPR set. That innovation ideas, whatever you wanted to bring in, let us document it. What for? For the nation as a whole. Okay. So that is to be looked at. Okay. So you are adding a value to it. Okay. You are adding a value to it. So, dear students, any smallest of the small innovation which you come across, please document it through patents. So the institution is ready to pay for this particular publication. Okay, whatever the charges incurred by the patron in the publication, they want to do that. Okay, do not sit back or watch some other one is doing. Everyone should come out. Everyone should contribute in the innovation. Okay. So with that note, I wish all my students all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing the most insightful thoughts with all of us. Now, towards the conclusion, I take this opportunity to thank our principal, sir, Dr. M.S. Ganesha Prasad, sir, IIC convener, Dr. Pavitra G.S., and Vikramaditya, sir. I also take this opportunity to thank all teaching and non-teaching staff for their complete involvement from the stage of planning to the execution, and also to the least I thank all the enthusiastic participant students. Thank you very much.